Heartbreak is one of the most painful human experiences. When someone you love leaves, it feels like the world loses its color. You replay memories, question your worth, and wonder if the pain will ever fade. But there is good news. Buddhism offers a gentle and powerful way to heal. It doesn't promise to erase your pain overnight. Instead, it teaches you how to understand it deeply, how to live with it wisely, and finally, how to transform it into wisdom and lasting peace. In this video, we will explore how to handle a heartbreak using Buddhist teachings, not as dry philosophy, but as practical guidance that can help you right now. Stay until the end, because the final section will show you how heartbreak, when understood truly, can become the beginning of your emotional awakening. When the heart breaks. Heartbreak is universal. It doesn't matter who you are. Everyone who loves eventually feels the pain of loss. A breakup, rejection, or betrayal can shake your entire sense of self. You may lie awake wondering, why did this happen to me? You may replay every moment, hoping to find answers. You may feel empty, hopeless, and disconnected from life. Buddhism never denies pain. It teaches that suffering, dukkha, is real and inherent in life. But it also shows that suffering can end through understanding and mindfulness. The Buddha's path is not about avoiding pain. It's about embracing and transforming it so that it loses its power to control you. Let's walk this healing path step by step. 1. Accepting the pain. The first noble truth. The Buddha's first teaching was simple. Life contains suffering. Dukkha. Heartbreak is one form of that suffering. It hurts deeply because love opens our hearts and makes us vulnerable. When we lose someone, we lose a part of our identity and comfort. But here's what Buddhism teaches. You must face the pain with courage instead of escaping it. Most people try to numb heartbreak with distractions. Music, food, alcohol, or scrolling endlessly on their phones. These offer short-lived relief, but deepen the wound over time. When you sit with the pain quietly, accepting it without judgment, you begin to understand it. You see heartbreak not as punishment, but as part of the shared human experience. Everyone who loves will eventually feel loss. Practice. Sit quietly and acknowledge your emotions. Say to yourself, this is pain. It's okay to feel it. No need to judge or run from it. Acceptance begins healing. 2. Seeing the cause. Attachment and expectation. The Buddha taught that all suffering has a cause. In heartbreak, that cause is attachment. Our deep emotional clinging to how we wanted things to be. You might think, they were my person. I can't live without them. It shouldn't have ended like this. But everything changes. No person, feeling, or relationship lasts forever. Love is real, but its form constantly evolves. Attachment makes us believe we can freeze life, hold on to people, and stop change. Life flows naturally, and resisting it causes suffering. This doesn't mean you shouldn't love. It means you must love without clinging. Loving freely, without trying to control or possess. Practice. When thoughts of your ex arise, say, they were part of my journey, not my possession. This frees your heart from control and opens space for peace. 3. Understanding impermanence. In Buddhism, everything is impermanent. Relationships, emotions, even pain. Nothing lasts forever. When heartbroken, it feels like sadness will never end. But it will, just as seasons change and emotions come and go. Think of all the feelings you survived before: anger, joy, fear, hope. None stay forever. Heartbreak is no different. Practice. Each morning, remind yourself, this pain is temporary. I change every moment. This awareness prevents despair and grounds you in hope. 4. The middle path. Don't escape, don't drown. The Buddha warned against extremes. Some drown in sorrow, overthinking and refusing to move on. Others escape pain by pretending they're fine or rushing into new relationships. Both prolong suffering. The middle path is balance. Feel your emotions fully, but don't become them. Allow yourself to grieve, but also give permission to live. Practice. Create a daily routine. Wake up, meditate, work, eat mindfully, rest. Let this structure support healing when emotions feel overwhelming. 5. Mindfulness. Healing moment by moment. Mindfulness means paying attention to the present moment without judgment. Heartbreak often pulls you to the past. What if? Or the future? Will I ever love again? Mindfulness reminds you, right now you are breathing, safe, alive. Practice. When pain rises, take 3 deep breaths. Focus on air entering and leaving your body. Let your mind rest in now. Pain exists in thoughts. Peace exists in presence. 6. Letting go with compassion. Letting go is not forgetting. It's releasing the emotional grip that causes suffering. You may still love the one who left and wish them happiness. That's okay. Letting go means wishing well while setting yourself free. Practice. Silently say, may they be happy. May they be free from suffering. May I also be happy. May I be free. This metta, loving kindness, meditation transforms bitterness into compassion. 7. The Mirror of Heartbreak. Heartbreak reflects your deepest attachments and fears. Instead of punishment, see it as a mirror. Ask yourself, what did this relationship teach me about love? What part of me feels unworthy? What expectation caused the most pain? The Buddha taught self-understanding is key to freedom. Honest reflection makes heartbreak a wise teacher. Practice. Journal daily. Write what you miss, learned, and wish for next. Writing turns emotion into insight. 8. Avoiding blame. After heartbreak, blame is common, of your ex or yourself. But blame traps you in anger and guilt. The Buddha said holding on to anger is like grasping a hot coal. You get burned. Instead, practice understanding. You both acted with your awareness then. That's enough. Practice. When blaming arises, breathe and say, we both did our best with what we knew. This softens bitterness and allows forgiveness to grow. 9. The power of forgiveness. Forgiveness frees you from emotional chains. It's not about condoning hurt, but releasing resentment. The Buddha taught hate never ends through hate, only through love. Forgiveness is courage, not weakness. Practice. Close eyes, picture your ex. Say, I forgive you for my peace, not because you deserve it, but because I deserve freedom. 10. Rebuilding self-worth. Heartbreak can damage self-esteem. You may think, I wasn't enough. Buddhism reminds you, you are not your relationship. Your worth comes from your awareness, kindness, and growth. The Buddha said, you yourself, as much as anybody in the universe, deserve your love and affection. Practice. Each morning, smile in the mirror and say, I am enough. I am learning. I am growing. This rewires your mind towards self-compassion. 11. Finding purpose in pain. Pain can break or open you. Buddhism teaches suffering, when understood, becomes the seed of wisdom. Heartbreak can propel spiritual growth, revealing what truly matters, who you are, and the kind of love you want to give and receive. Practice. Transform pain to purpose. Help others suffering. Volunteer. Create art. Use your experience to bring light. 12. The freedom of non-attachment. Love without attachment is pure. It wishes happiness for another without clinging. This doesn't mean stopping care. It means loving freely, without fear or control. When you love like this, heartbreak loses power. You can love deeply and let go gracefully. Practice. Repeat silently. I love, but I do not cling. I care, but I do not control. This mantra keeps your heart open yet free. 13. Reconnecting with life. Heartbreak can make you withdraw from beauty and joy. Buddhism invites reconnection with yourself, nature, and everyday wonders. The Buddha found enlightenment under a tree. Nature, silence, and awareness heal. Practice. Take daily phone-free walks. Notice wind, sunlight, sounds. Let life remind you beauty still exists. 14. Meditation for healing. Meditation is the heart of Buddhist practice. It helps you face emotions gently without being overwhelmed. Try heart healing meditation. Sit comfortably. Place hand on chest. Breathe deeply. Imagine golden light entering your heart. With each breath, light grows, soothing pain. Whisper, I am healing. I am whole. Meditation doesn't erase memories, but teaches peaceful coexistence with them. 15. Understanding karma and closure. Sometimes heartbreak feels unfair. Why did they hurt me after all I gave? Buddhism explains this through karma, the law of cause and effect. Every connection matters and teaches something essential. Some relationships are meant not to last, but to awaken parts of you. Practice. Instead of why me, ask, what can I learn? This shift turns victimhood into wisdom and peace. 16. Balancing love and detachment. True Buddhist love is freedom, not possession. You can love deeply and still let go. Wishing happiness, even if it's not with you, is real love, a love that liberates both hearts. Practice. If sadness comes, don't suppress it. Whisper, I release you with love. This act brings dignity and peace to your heart. 17. The role of gratitude. Gratitude can heal even after heartbreak. It balances pain without denying it. Be thankful for good memories, lessons, and your capacity to love deeply. Gratitude transforms bitterness into understanding. Practice. Write 3 things you're grateful for about the relationship and 3 about yourself. Gratitude opens your heart again. 18. Living with awareness. The Buddha taught awareness is the key to liberation. Be aware of your emotions, thoughts, and actions. Don't let heartbreak make you unconscious. Every moment of awareness breaks suffering cycle. You become centered, less reactive. Practice. Before sleep, reflect for a minute. What did I feel today? What did I learn today? Gentle awareness can quietly transform your inner world. 19. When loneliness visits. Post-heartbreak loneliness can feel unbearable. Buddhism teaches solitude is sacred, not loneliness. Solitude gives space for self-discovery and reconnecting with yourself. The more comfortable alone, the less you need others to complete you. Practice. Light a candle at night. sit quietly and say, I am here for myself. Feel that warmth. This is self-connection, not loneliness. 20. Transformation, turning pain into wisdom. Heartbreak can destroy or transform you. The Buddha didn't turn away from suffering, but used it to awaken compassion and wisdom. Your heartbreak can do the same, making you kinder, wiser, and more peaceful. Over time, the pain that once felt unbearable becomes strength. You understand others' pain and forgive more easily. You love more freely. This is awakening through heartbreak. Final reflection. Buddhism does not promise a life without loss. It promises a path through it. Heartbreak hurts because love is powerful. But love's energy never disappears. It transforms. When you let go with mindfulness and compassion, that energy turns into wisdom. The Buddha said, just as a lotus grows from mud, the purest wisdom arises from suffering. Your heartbreak is not the end. It is the soil where your next self will bloom. Thank you for watching this video on BodhiRipple. I hope these Buddhist teachings help you find peace and strength during heartbreak. If this message touched your heart, please like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to BodhiRipple for more life-changing wisdom. And don't stop here. Explore our other videos for more lessons on peace, mindfulness, and healing through Buddhist wisdom. Until next time, remember, your heart may break, but your spirit can grow stronger than ever.